This is Ed with Critter Control in Tampa Bay. The answer in a nutshell is yes. I don't know a single mouse that would sleep with a mothball. It's a registered fumigant. It's going to get rid of the mothballs. It's going to make them move. Where it makes them move to, we have no control. They may just move one truss to the next. They'll move throughout the attic, throughout the house. You can't put mothballs every place to get rid of the mice. It just doesn't really work that way. You'll dislodge them from their nest site, but it's not going to really keep them away. It will move them. If you are going to use them, then you probably want to put them into a sock, a nylon sock, a pantyhose, tie it off at the base, and then distribute them in the attic space that way. That way, if your mother-in-law comes back by and she's allergic to mothballs, allergic to naphthalene, then you can, well, you can if you want, remove the mothballs because you've got them in a string, a stringed sock, and you can remove them that way. But do mothballs keep mice away? They will move them. It certainly will. Naphthalene is a very pungent odor, and the animals are not going to like it. This is Ed with Critter Control in Tampa Bay.